Awario, a brand monitoring tool. What is Awario? Awario is a social media and web monitoring tool that lets professionals track mentions of their brand, monitor competitors, find sales opportunities, and discover niche influencers. About Awario. Awario is a cloud-based social media monitoring solution made for businesses of any size. The key features are customer engagement, influencer tracking, and sentiment analysis, among others. Awario helps business owners engage with their audience and grow brand awareness by keeping track of what's said about them online. Features of Awario are as follows. First, web monitoring. Awario will do all the research for you to find keywords that you have used in your online business. Second, powerful analytics. You can track your social reach and conversion with a service like Awario. It tracks mentions and growth in order to find the right kind of mentions. Third, influencer tracking. Following the right influencers will help you get better returns and improve your brand as well. 4. Inbox alerts. Awario sends the messages and inbox alerts to your email so that you don't miss out any chance. 5. Create folder. Awario helps you quickly create folders and sort your tweets accordingly. 6. Filter keywords. Awario helps to leave out the keywords that are not of any use to you. Some of the advanced features of Awario are as follows. First, Boolean search. The Boolean search toolbar lets you narrow down your search to find just the right comments and keywords. Second, mobile-friendly. Awario is compatible with mobile devices so you can manage all marketing tasks from your device. Third, wider coverage. Awario scans more than 13 billion pages every day to find new mentions, publications, comments, and conversations about your brand. There are total 3 Awario pricing plans are as follows. First, starting plan. Pricing $24 per month. Second, Pro plan. Pricing $74 per month. Third, Enterprise plan. Pricing $249 per month. Pros. First, engage with customers. Second, find sales opportunities. Third, reach out to influencers. 4. Location-based monitoring. 5. Social listening reports. Cons. First, better pricing options are needed. Second, a better onboarding process is needed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.